I want to talk to you real quick about LogiCommerce, and the big question is this the best platform for B2B and B2C e-commerce? Let's have a conversation about that. So here is the abstract I want you to really think about. When you think about LogiCommerce, I want you to think primarily about a B2B and B2C e-commerce platform that really enables you to manage your store's back office and front end aspects through more than 200 to 250 features designed to help you customize your store. So you have a lot of autonomy, a lot of flexibility, a lot of scalability at your fingers. So that's kind of cool. And we love the fact that LogiCommerce actually provides the likes of content, shipping, inventory, promotion, and order management tools. So you have a lot of capability at your fingers once again. And also this tool is really fast in terms of online optimization. In other words, it ensures a 99% uptime with SLA to prevent blackouts. That's kind of cool. And LogiCommerce also allows you to import and export products, catalogs, and customers and sync, and that's a biggie, sync your data across multiple platforms. And it doesn't matter the geography that we're speaking about, whether you are in the States, or in Asia, or in Africa, or in Europe, you are able to actually do things across multiple geographies. In addition, LogiCommerce supports SEO implementation and back office control. So again, gone are the days of having an e-commerce platform that really just focuses on the front end of things. LogiCommerce does both, front end and back end. So LogiCommerce generates customizable and predefined reports to provide insight into your store's performance. As a matter of fact, you can create reports on customers, products, and orders. So that's kind of cool in terms of orders. We love that a lot. And LogiCommerce also offers additional features like linked products in the cart, and also a commerce block to drive growth. So that's really good. And what we love about LogiCommerce in terms of revenue generation is that it helps you do these things in a seamless way. In other words, you can actually automate certain processes, and you'll be making money in your store from your store on a consistent basis. In addition, LogiCommerce provides 24/7 worldwide customer support for any issues that you may encounter. I want to talk to you about the value added here. When you think about LogiCommerce, LogiCommerce adds a lot of value to your e-commerce operation through several work streams. You have a value optimization, you have a seamless integration process, you have performance and stability, you have technical reassurance. That's one thing we love a lot when it comes to a technical. I'll go in detail later on, but I just wanted to say that technical reassurance means what? Means that you have the certainty that your e-commerce will be up and running all the time. You can maximize your sales. You can also have continuous innovation through your LogiCommerce store. So when I speak about value optimization, what I really mean here is that through LogiCommerce, you can reduce platform cost across the board and improve your margin with a clear view of TCO. So that's kind of cool to actually have so TCO, total cost of operation, okay? And that's really good because it helps you instill a layer of granularity, an extra layer of simplicity, if you will, in your e-commerce operations. In terms of seamless integration, you have easy integrations with ERPs, CRMs, and other third-party solutions. So LogiCommerce can easily integrate with the likes of Salesforce Cloud, with Zoho Commerce, with NetSuite, with Oracle, with Shopify, and so on and so forth. So that's really good. You also have performance and scalability. What do I mean by that? Well, performance and scalability really means that your store is actually up and running in real time and also able to be stable across the board. So what happens here is that you have optimization and scalability. So that's really good because you want to, whether you have 5 visitors or 5 million visitors, you want to have a platform that can really power your solutions across the board, especially when you have visitors from multiple geographies, multiple locations. You want to have a tool that can adapt to different IP addresses. Okay, and we've seen this a lot during COVID, and for the past for the 2 or 3 years where COVID actually struck and folks were home, you had an influx of visitors from multiple IP addresses. So when I was talking about technical reassurance, what I really mean here is that you have a robust platform that is designed to offer you safety and stability at every step. And at the step of onboarding, at the step of checkout, at the step of payment processing, at the step of lead generation. So every step you have technical reassurance. You have LogiCommerce is going to be with you in terms of helping you, giving you the modules and capabilities that you need to actually make sure that you are offering a seamless process for your customers. So that's really good. I mean, we love this technical reassurance because basically not a lot of e-commerce solutions offer that. Okay, I mean, even in the big ones such as Shopify or BigCommerce or WooCommerce for that matter, they do not offer technical reassurance. So having this ability to technically reassure users is really good. You have the ability to maximize your sales, so you can convert visitors into customers with more than 200 native B2B and B2C functionalities. I want to insist on the word native. So those are not third-party functionalities. Those are not integrated. No, those are native. Those functionalities are native to LogiCommerce. Okay, and you have a spirit of a continuous innovation. In other words, the team at LogiCommerce is constantly adding new functionalities, new modules, new capabilities, and that really helps a lot because when we started doing the research on LogiCommerce a couple of years ago, where they were at a couple of years ago and where they are at today, there is actually a big gulf. There's a big chasm, and this tells you that this team at LogiCommerce is working like crazy. They're working really big time. They are trying to improve the platform, to increase the process, and that's really good. That's really good because it really tells you that there is a team that really wants your business. That really values your business, and that's really good. And also, there's a team that's actually, if you have a question, will actually be responsive, will be reactive, and make sure that you are happy as soon as possible. So that's really fantastic. We love this aspect of things real fast. So that's really good. I want to talk to you about the selling price here. So when you think about LogiCommerce, how much does this software cost? I want you to look right now on the screen. What we love about LogiCommerce is that they are very transparent, that's for sure, but they're also very straightforward. They do not have like 4 or 5 pricing tiers. No, they only have 2. They have what they call the growth tier, and they have the business tier. Now, the business tier, they want you to contact them. Okay, you have to actually contact LogiCommerce to have more ideas about the business plan. But if you are interested in the growth plan, which you should be, basically this will set you back $39 per month. If this is kind of cool. So, but just make sure that you are able to save even more by actually accepting an annual billing. So paying once a year will be better for you as opposed to every month. Okay. Now, if you want more complex requirements, if your e-commerce solution, if you want an e-commerce solution with more features, more modules, more integrations, more third-party plugins, then you are going for the business solution. Now, the business solution, you have to contact LogiCommerce, and somebody from sales will get back to you and answer all your questions. One thing for sure, you want to actually, if there is a free trial in your geography, you want to take advantage of that free trial. It could be 1 week, 2 weeks, it can be 3 weeks, it can be 4 weeks, and they do this free trial thing depending on the geography, your state, your location. So if it's available in your area, you want to take advantage of it. If not, you want to sign up for a demo. You want to make sure that you go through the LogiCommerce demo. You want to test it as soon as possible. You want to test it as long as possible. You want to look at the features, the capabilities, things like inventory tracking, order management, okay, customer management, customer relationship management, CRM functionalities, to make sure that you are, like your team, you and your team actually are comfortable about the features and functionalities that LogiCommerce in the end offer, right? Because the last thing you want is to start paying for stuff and actually realize that, hey, I've got the wrong product, the wrong product, and I can't really back off. So that's a little you don't want to have that. Let me talk to you about the key aspects here. When we think about LogiCommerce, what are the key aspects to really think about? Well, we love a content management system within LogiCommerce. That's really good because content management system just means what? Means that you are able to set up your online store, but also have, in addition, a blog. You can also have a landing page. You have the ability to run things simultaneously. So that's kind of cool. Okay. You also have localization. So when we talk about key aspects to really think about this year within LogiCommerce, you have a localization, you have a shipping management, you also have a data feed. So data feed is really good. You have inventory management system. So within LogiCommerce, there is an inventory management system that allows you to really have a clear idea about what you have in the back office. Okay, so that you don't have issues like stock out, you don't promise and under deliver to customers. That's really important for your reputation. You also have loyalty system, and loyalty system is really great because it allows you to solidify your relationship with your prospects and visitors and clients, if you will. You have advanced promotion management, another great tool within LogiCommerce that allows you to really sell more. You have an affiliate system. You have an order management system. You have product information management. So that's another possibility for you to really increase revenue big time. And again, I want to insist on this across multiple geographies. We're not just talking about the States or Canada for that matter. We're speaking about Europe. We are talking about Asia. We're speaking about Africa. We're speaking about Latin America. You have basically reporting and analytics, another great tool within LogiCommerce that allows you to really track your sales, among other things. You have a tracker system, by the way. You have a user management system. You also have data sync. So data sync is really great in terms of capability. You have an SEO suite. You have a return management authorization. You have back office. You have a commerce blog, and you also have import and export. So that's kind of cool from a scalability point of view. We love this functionality a lot. I want to talk to you about the benefits here. When we think about LogiCommerce e-commerce software, what kind of benefits can you expect this year? Well, first of all, when you think about e-commerce store settings, you have a lot of benefits there right away because LogiCommerce offers full control over your e-commerce store. And what I mean by full control, you have really full control, full autonomy, full flexibility, and full flexibility. Full flexibility, but also full scalability. That's what I meant. So basically, LogiCommerce is multi-domain. The thing that happened here is that LogiCommerce really is pretty flexible in terms of how it supports your business because it really supports data import and export, user management, and data tracking. So that's kind of cool in terms of flexibility. We love that a lot. And LogiCommerce provides a data feed to help you access, filter, and map data according to country, language, and other predefined taxonomies. So that's kind of cool also. It also offers an SEO suite to optimize your store and optimize your store across the board, not just from the front end, but also from the back end. Okay. And so in terms of benefits, you also have management tools. So LogiCommerce enables you to manage multiple aspects of your store. It offers content, advanced promotion, and product information management to improve your reach and also targeting campaigns. It also allows you to have a full transparency over your inventory, orders, and shipping across various locations, whether local or international. So that's really good from a scalability point of view. We love that. Also, LogiCommerce supports loyalty programs and returns policies to further improve customer experience. It also provides B2B, so business to business, specific features like bulk purchases, sales agent management, and geolocation processing. So if you're thinking about LogiCommerce, think about B2C, but also B2B. Okay. What about integrations? Well, LogiCommerce integrates with your existing systems to ensure continuity. So that's really good from again, flexibility point of view. You can integrate this tool with marketing automation and AI tools to increase your productivity and efficiency. You can also integrate with different payment gateways so that you can offer flexible payment options to your customers. So other integrations include ERP and CRM platforms. So that's really good. So before we close to this conversation, here are the extras I want to share with you when we think about LogiCommerce. First of all, let's talk about the technical details. So in terms of devices supported, LogiCommerce doesn't have a mobile deployment as of now. So you can only have a web-based sort of platform. Okay, no mobile, and it's a bummer. But I mean, we've heard that LogiCommerce is working on it. In terms of deployment, you have cloud hosted, open API, so there is no on-premise deployment. So if you want for any reason you want LogiCommerce to deploy the software tool on your work office computers, then what will happen is that they will send a team to your location, but they will charge you for it, right? And you have to actually you have to host the software on your own servers, because LogiCommerce doesn't have that. I mean, they host everything on the cloud. Okay, they use AWS, Amazon Web Services to actually host their software. They also have open API, so this is kind of cool. Also, you can actually, in terms of deployment, you can also call upon this software through APIs if you have the right developer skill set. That's kind of cool. What about the language support? Well, English. Right now, they do not. I mean, we've heard that they are thinking about offering support in German, in French, in Portuguese, in Spanish, but so far they haven't really moved on that front. So for now, it's still English. In terms of the pricing model, as you saw a little earlier, the pricing model is monthly payment, quote-based, and their customer types are small business, mid-sized companies, but also medium business. So, small business, large enterprise, but also medium business, okay? So do we recommend LogiCommerce, yes or no? Of course, we recommend LogiCommerce. LogiCommerce is safe. LogiCommerce is worth it. LogiCommerce is legit, that's for sure. This company has a proven track record based on our own investigations, but also on the reviews we were able to collect online. So, and LogiCommerce, we love the fact that they're constantly improving their platform. So that's good. That's really good. Now, before you go with LogiCommerce, please, you want to have a clear understanding of your own needs, but also you want to do a little bit of research through the demo or the free trial to see that basically the features that LogiCommerce is offering, basically that those features are in sync with what you're looking for. So what's the finale here? So into this conversation, I spoke to you about LogiCommerce. I give you the abstract, the value added, the selling price, the key aspects, the benefits, the extras, and now the finale. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.